Alright, so as you guys can see, this Bodega comes in this nice small carry case. Everything's packed away in this. And just for comparison, you guys can see how much more compact that is compared to your standard camping stove. Everything fits right inside this bag. And we'll go ahead and pull this stove out. So that is a look at the 2-burner Bodega camping stove. Look how small that is. And then it's got this little rubber strap here on the side. And that's going to allow you to fold this out into your 2 burners. It's got these 2 grills here that are built in. You just flip these over. And pretty much you just hook up your propane and you're ready to go. What I like is how much space is in between the 2 burners, so you still have the ability to put pretty nice sized pans on this. They're not too close to where those pans are going to be touching each other, or you might have to use smaller pans. Another nice feature with this Bodega is you can pick this up with the optional frying pan. It does have a foldable handle. Really convenient. Fits in the bag also. And then you have your connection for your propane. Nice braided hose. Propane tank's going to go on this end, and then this is going to plug into the stove. Right on the front here, you got your on and off on both of the burners. Over on this side, you got the spot for your propane hookup. Quick look at the back, no connections there. And then, like I said, there is your rubber strap when you want to fold this up. As you guys can see, when this is folded out, you're getting the same surface area. I got a 12-inch pan. And as you guys can see with the 12-inch pan, still got more than enough room to be able to put another pan or pot there. So I really like how they got the separation in the middle with that foldable handle, be able to put bigger size pots and pans on there. Now to get these fired up, they got a built-in igniter, really easy to do. Just go ahead and turn this dial all the way to the left, and then it'll click. And it's going to ignite your flame. Then you can adjust the flame with this dial. Same thing on the other side. So really easy to get up and running. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and test it out. Got a cup of soup here. Some clam chowder I got warming up. And I got a grilled cheese over here on their little skillet that they provide with the burner. So we're going to see how well this works. Turn this down a little bit. It is like below 30 degrees out here right now. So pretty cold. But I really do like this setup, how compact it is. You can pack this away in a backpack or in your truck. It's not going to take up a lot of room. I like the fact that it comes with this extra pan. A really nice setup. It comes, like I said earlier, with this bag that you can store everything in. I like the length on the cable for the propane. Get that out of the way. And it is a braided cable, so nice and flexible. Also, the sides of the camping stove does not get hot at all. They're not even really warm. So definitely like that. Nice grilled cheese. Alright guys, so I just finished up eating, cleaned everything up. This is already cool. So I'm going to go ahead and pack this away. And did want to show you guys, they do have a little slot pocket in here to be able to store this pan away in there, along with your propane cable. And then other than that, this just folds up. And then you're going to rotate this around, latch it, and that's it. Go ahead and stick it in your bag. And that's it. So pretty cool. Really like how Bodega designed this. Nice and compact, but you still can fit full-size pans on there. Definitely think this would be great for camping or any outdoor activities. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below about the Bodega compact camping stove. Make sure I leave links in the description box below if you guys are interested in this. Hopefully you guys found some value in the video. If you did, smash that like button. And if you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.